Shannon Rose right here in the historic Ybor City at the Ritz Theater. We're getting ready for Master Mirdad's Muay Thai Classic. Some of the best men, some of the best women in action. So what I want you to do, I want you to sit down, turn on the tube, and join me as we head right in to the Ritz Theater.
Ladies and gentlemen, Master Mirdad's Muay Thai Classic 25 is being brought to you this evening by Sweet Wheat, 100% organic, freeze-dried wheatgrass juice. It's for optimal nutrition and endurance. Sweet Wheat is the perfect drink to boost energy, increase endurance, enhance mental focus, improve muscle tone, better your overall health, and accelerate recovery. It's available in both veggie caps and powder. Make sure that you stop by the Sweet Wheat table in the lobby for more information. You can also go to their website, www.sweetwheat.com.
Shannon Rose right here with the man, the one and only Master Mirdad here at the Muay Thai Classic, and Kim from the official sponsor, Sweet Wheat. Talk a little about tonight's event. You've got men, you've got women in action.
Absolutely. Tonight is a great event. This is an event that is made for a youngster amateur fighter, inner city kind of a fight that gives a chance to the one that to have a vision eventually to fight in our pro event, which is the Shindo Kumite, go forward. We're very excited to have Ms. Kim Bright as one of our, the founder of the Sweet Wheat, be part of our organization. Big commitment. I think that's just crossover, a big history in a world of the Muay Thai in North America. Nobody ever done it. I think our partnership takes the sport to a big level, and I think everybody should support this and try Sweet Wheat. I believe it is stronger than myself. As a fighter, I take it, and I believe everybody got to take it. And I think it's an enhancement of the organic product into the athlete of the Muay Thai that are believing in the real sport and the spiritual element of it. It's a great combination.
Well, I tell you what, Master Mirdad, as I told Kim earlier, I took it right before I talk here, and I'm going a mile a minute. It's great. It gives you energy. It's natural, and that's what you can't get with a lot of other products. Talk a little about this and how it actually helps out athletes.
Yeah, what our slogan is intense energy, maximum results, and that's what it does. It oxygenates the blood, pumps you up, gives you that energy, gives you all those needed nutrients to get out there and really do the fight and really take it to the maximum degree that you can. It gives you that persistence. It gives you good recovery time. You can also use it on the outside if you get any cuts, scrapes, anything, you put it on it, you heal really fast. But it's got incredible recovery time. So intense energy, maximum results, Sweet Wheat. And so we're proud to be a sponsor of this, the main sponsor. We really are.
So make sure to pick it up at Sweet Wheat. That's Kim. And this is the one and only Master Mirdad with the Muay Thai Classic.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you to the fabulous Ritz Ybor in Tampa, Florida. Tonight, MKM Knockout Promotions and Sweet Wheat proudly presents Master Mirdad's Muay Thai Classic 25. Tonight's event will be benefiting Fighting for Children Incorporated. Tonight's bouts are sanctioned by the World Shindo Kumite Association under Shindo Kumite rules. Your officials assigned by the World Shindo Kumite Association. Your attending ringside physicians are Dr. Rafael Cruz and Dr. Kyle Ramel. Your judges scoring at ringside are John Small, Sid Roberts, and Adam Sager. Your timekeeper is Andy Butenbick. Your referees in charge of the action, Stefan Butenbick and Justin Kennison. Ladies and gentlemen, Master Mirdad's Muay Thai Classic 25 is brought to you by Sweet Wheat, intense energy, maximum results. By Quality Inn and Suites, by Choice Hotels, located near the fairgrounds on East 18th Avenue. Strikers TV, the only 24/7 online, on-demand Muay Thai channel, www.strikers.tv. The Ritz Ybor, Tampa's premier special events venue, and Dr. Kyle Remmel of St. Pete, specializing in sports medicine. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Ritz Ybor in Tampa, Florida, our first bout of the evening is brought to you by MKM Knockout Promotions and Sweet Wheat, intense energy, maximum results. This is an exhibition bout scheduled for 3 2-minute rounds in the super lightweight division. Your referee in charge of the action, Stefan Butenbick. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, wearing black trunks with pink and white trim. She weighed in at 112 3/4 pounds. Her fighting style is Muay Thai. Tonight she is making her amateur debut from Palm Harbor, Florida. Here is Ryan Iredell. Her opponent fighting out of the red corner, wearing black trunks. She weighed in at 112 pounds. Her fighting style is Gupawaida, making her amateur debut representing EVT MMA from Tampa, Florida. Here is Wanda Rosa Fuentes.